everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I had an unboxing yesterday with my Chanel product. However, the footage would not load for some reason in YouTube, so it was an unboxing, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it kind of over again, except for the unboxing. So I just wanted to kind of let you know. I don't know what happened, but technology, who knows. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, so this is my first Chanel piece from the boutique. My essay is in Edmonton. She's real nice. Her name is Natasha. And so even though Chanel is closed, you can still order items, but you have to have like an essay to do it for you. I believe that's what I was told, so that's why I tried to find an essay to help me out there. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'll show you what I got at Chanel. Alright, so one of the items that came through was in this little Chanel bag. And it came with my receipt, which is kind of cool. They come like that. And then she gave me samples of Gardenia Beige, apparently, number 22, and that's what it looks like. And on the back it says beige. Right, so she gave me a couple of those, and then she had them all tied up together, which is really nice, with the ribbon. And the ribbon looks like that. You can kind of see. Here we go. Alright, so that's what's in that little bag. Alright. And then I got this really nice perfume. It's called 1957. It's one of the newer perfumes. And she had it wrapped up like this with the camellia on the top there. So I'm looking forward to checking this out. Alright, and that's the 50 ml size there. Alright, and then I got another Chanel shopping bag, which was nice. And it came in a box like this. Any guesses? Alright, let's see what I got here. And it came with the ribbon and the camellia. Alright, and then they give you the care information. Comes in a couple things like that to read. And then inside they have the little inserts that I took out, basically. And the dust covers are really nice. They should be, right? Alright. I got a Caviar classic card case with the silver hardware. It has one slot there. It's made in Italy. It's got the red inside, and then 2 slots here along with the authenticity card. And this is for series 29. Now, I have a quick question. If you were to get a Chanel bag or any Chanel products, other than the boutique, like, you know, from Fashion File, Yogi's Closet, Rebag, the Real, any of the consignment shops for pre-loved items, would you feel good about buying a pre-loved item without the authenticity card? Or would you be okay with buying an item without? All right, so let me know in the comments down below. And that's what I have from Chanel today. And I hope everybody's staying safe. And thanks again for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.